ENCLAPSലേക്കുള്ള വഴി ഇനി തനിയെ തുറക്കാം. Subscribe to the Enclaps channel. Ring the bell button and open success. It's that easy.
Hi, today we are going to study about the F block elements. Look at this periodic table. Here you can see the last two lines in the periodic table, right? These are known as the F block elements in the periodic table. Now we are going to explain some of the important properties regarding the F block elements. If you write the subshell electronic configuration and the last electron enters to the anti-penultimate F subshell, then we can say that the element belongs to F block in the periodic table. The F block elements are usually present in 6th and 7th period in the periodic table. The 6th period elements are known as lanthanides and the 7th period elements are known as actinides. If you consider the case of the actinides, most of the actinides are radioactive and artificial element. As we consider the case of the D block elements, we said that the D block elements exist in different oxidation state. Like that, the F block elements also exist in different oxidation state. The F block elements like thorium, uranium, etc. can also be used as fuels in nuclear reactors. So, these are some of the important properties regarding the F block elements. Okay? Now, we can do one interesting activity based on all the concepts that we learn now. Okay? So, look at this picture. Here you can see a model periodic table, right? And here the elements are represented by some alphabets like A, B and so on. So, now on the basis of this model periodic table, I will ask you some questions and you have to find out the answer. Okay? Are you ready? Okay. So, the first question regarding this table is, list out the elements of S block. We know that the group 1 and group 2 elements are called S block elements, right? Therefore, here A and B are elements belongs to S block. Now, the next question is, which element shows +2 oxidation state? We already studied that group 2 elements has +2 oxidation state. Therefore, here the element B has +2 oxidation state. Now, the next question is, which element contains 5 electrons in outermost shell? If the outermost shell contains 5 electrons, then it belongs to 15th group. Here, the element E belongs to 15th group. That is, the answer is E. Now, the next question is, which is the element that has 5 p electrons in the outermost shell? Here, the outermost subshell is p subshell. Therefore, the group number of p block element is S plus p plus 10. That is 2 plus 5 plus 10 equal to 70. So, the 17th group element should be the answer. Therefore, the answer is element G. Now, the next question is, which are the elements in which last electron enters the D subshell? Here, we can see that the D block elements are C and D. Therefore, the answer is C and D. The next question is, which element has highest ionization energy? We know that the 18th group element has highest ionization energy. So, here the 18th group element is H. So, the H has highest ionization energy. Now, the next question is, which is the highest reactive non-metal? When we studied about the properties of the p block element, we said that 17th group elements are most reactive. So, here the element G is present in the 17th group and the highest reactive non-metal is G. Now, the next question is, which element has -2 oxidation state? When we study about the properties of the elements, we said that 16th group element shows -2 oxidation state. So, here the element F has -2 oxidation state. The next question is, the outermost electron configuration of an element is 2s2 2p6. Then what is the element? If you look at this subshell electronic configuration, the last electron enters to the p subshell, right? So, it belongs to p block. So, what should be its group number? Yes, S plus p plus 10, that is equal to 2 plus 6 plus 10 equal to 18. So, the element belongs to 18th group, that is H. So, the answer should be H. Now, the next question is, write down the complete subshell electronic configuration of this element. So, we can write the complete subshell electronic configuration as 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. Now, the next question is, write the chemical formula of the compound formed between A and G. Here, the element A belongs to group 1. So, it has +1 oxidation state, and element G belongs to group 17, so it has -1 oxidation state. So, the compound formed by the reaction between A and G is Ag. Now, the next question is, write the chemical formula of the compound formed between B and G. Here the element B belongs to group 2, so it has +2 oxidation state, and the element G belongs to group 17, so it has -1 oxidation state. So, the formula of the compound formed as a result of the reaction between this B and G is Bg2. So, do you understand the activity? It was really an interesting activity, right? So, in this chapter we learned about the electronic configuration, subshell electronic configuration, about different blocks and the properties of the elements and so on. So, do you understand the concept? Okay.
3 ലക്ഷത്തിലേറെ വരുന്ന ചോദ്യോത്തരങ്ങൾ ഏറ്റവും കുറഞ്ഞ ചിലവിൽ സ്വന്തമാക്കുവാൻ ഉടൻ തന്നെ ഡൗൺലോഡ് ചെയ്യൂ Enclaps, the learning app.